Hello, Mashion. How are you?
I'm feeling lucky in every round. The force is struggling. I'm chewing gum. The royal empire is sleeping now. I'm too big walking in the new.
So बाबा आप बताएंगे नहीं कि हमारा process क्या है? How did we come up with this look? What are we doing?
So you and I had this conversation एक दिन पहले. I mean like last night. Okay, we're gonna do a wet look. Okay, लड़की like Californian girl coming out from the ocean. So her hair is gonna be like wet. Her eyes gonna be like wet. If you can come close, I can show you the eyeshadow that we've used on her. So that's kind of look we have discussed.
It's Californian girl
Coming out from the ocean.
in Texas.
Imagine in Texas.
Yeah, that's it. He's also doing my performance look, by the way. So I'm performing tonight, right? Yeah, I'm performing tonight on Nadia Hassan and Zoe Hassan's song. It's a 6-minute medley. And I'm really nervous and excited. So he's also doing a performance look. It's a whole like 70s retro vibe we have going on with big hair and like, you know. So we kind of did a similar look a year ago.
Yeah.
For a brand, and we were obsessed. And then we decided, because हमारा जो हम पहन रहे हैं कपड़े red carpet के लिए, we decided कि I think वो वाला look हम उसको अगर हम उसके आगे पीछे कट करें तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And I have a good feeling about this. Wow. Yeah. After the performance, we're gonna switch back to this look, and then I'm gonna host.
Yes. Yeah, that's a lot of work.
That is a lot of work. Yeah. So I guess सबको इज्तिमाई दुआ करनी चाहिए मेरे बालों और मेरी स्किन के लिए आज. I've got mixed feelings right now. Like I'm nervous, but I'm also happy. I'm excited. And I'm like, I don't know, like I just want to get done with this.
Yeah.
This year, I was like, I don't care, मुझे suit पहनना है. And Nomi made a beautiful suit for me. It has a little R here. It has a little R over here. It has a little hat. Has spiders, dragonflies, beetles. It also has an ant. Like